Hello friends, are you looking for a job of 5 lakh per annum salary without knowing any programming language? This video is for you, just you have to know what is UI and UX. UI refers to the screens, buttons, toggles, icons and other visual elements that you interact with when using a website, app or other electronic device. UX refers to the entire interaction you have with the product including how you feel about the interaction. Okay guys, let me explain in simple terms. Specialization in UI and UX gives you a design centric approach to summarize and demonstrate both user experience and user interface. UX design as a practice is just getting started. The need for this role is accelerating. If you have good skill with practical exposure, companies are ready to pay up to 5 lakh per annum. I'm going to tell you how do you get a UX UI job with no experience if you have completed only UG degree. Find your area of interest. UX design is a broad discipline. Get educated, find a mentor, master the right tools, get practical skills, create a portfolio, write about design, connect with others. So here we EduGlance provides opportunity to learn UX UI at very affordable fees. Don't miss this golden opportunity. For more educational content video, subscribe and follow EduGlance.